This makes me look golden.
I look crazy.
With a hint of sweat. We moving, and shake it, and shake it. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
I look like Meek Mill when he first got arrested.
Like, this lighting is awesome, but I need to look at you guys. But I also want to look at myself, because I'm popping.
Okay, so I'm about to head out. I know you do. So I'm about to head out, and guess what, guys? It's been a minute. As you can see, I have the straight backs. So obviously, no, you are not here to make faces. You are just here, okay?
Okay, all right.
Yes. So I got the straight backs, but I got it for a reason. What's about to pop out?
What's about to pop off? A wig is about to pop off, sis.
Bam!
Bam! You better know it!
Auto model, deep invisible part wig. Okay, so. And the type of wig is called Joanna. This is Joanna, you guys.
We got a Spanish chica.
Okay, and I just got it in 1B. I wanted to get color, but then I was a little nervous because, you know.
Can you color it?
No.
Is that synthetic? Who child the ghetto?
You get on my nerves. Okay, so we're going to take it up. This is Joanne. Got a little peek.
It's cute.
Don't play with me.
No, I need to see her on.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you supposed to put like makeup on the part?
Well, first let me see what it looked like on first before I start doing all of that.
You know.
Okay, now.
Nikki has an Aldo deal coming out.
A who?
Aldo. Is it Aldo or Aldo?
I'm probably gonna have to make this part bigger, but let's see.
Oh.
Okay, so this, guys, is Joanna.
Joanna. You know how someone's name is Joanna, but she want to be damn exotic. She's like, this is Joanna. No, it's Joanna.
Hi, my name is Joanna.
Joanna.
Oh, I kind of like it. I like it. What do you think?
I love the cut. It's cute.
It's giving me like Gabrielle Union a little bit, you know?
I like that. Is it a way to make it like less like shiny? Yeah.
Yes. So the way you make it less shiny.
Boom.
One moment.
Coming with the questions. What's up?
Shawn said it looks a little shiny and it looked real fake, right? So what we about to do is
Chris tip. Baby powder.
take a little.
Keep it real.
Thanks.
Keeping it real with Chris.
Thanks, sis. We're gonna take some of this Johnson & Johnson baby powder. I'm pretty sure you've seen this on videos before. So you just take the powder and rub it in your hands, and then you're gonna rub it on your hair. And you rub it through. And as you can see, it helps to dull some of that shine. Yes, to this body. And you can like put heat to it. It's like a synthetic blend. Put some in the back. I'm gonna get dressed to go.
Chest hair is called taco meat, right?
Yes, and I hate taco meat.
I'm starting to get taco meat.
You like it?
I don't know how I feel about it yet.
Get it waxed. Well, I mean, I guess if you like it. But I know I don't want my man to have taco meat. So this is Joanna. Let me know if you like it. Well, honestly, I really don't care because I'm still gonna wear it. Nah, I'm just playing.
No, she not. Fuck you.
Follow me on Instagram, INSPIREDBYKRYS _INSPIREDBYKRYS. Then you will see this baby in a few photos. Until next time, love.
And if you're also looking for a sidekick to give some awesome commentary in your videos, at ShawnJack _ SHAWNJACK _ Bloop.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Honestly, it's been a moment since I've done any tutorial, but your girl is back, okay? Like this new hair. Okay. Till next time, loves.